Today's video I'm going to show you how you can make over $100 per day with Instagram. So this method is really useful and it works. I'm going to show you proof later. So only thing you need to do is you need to have an Instagram account and ClickBank account. Everything is free, so don't worry about it. And if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to press that thumb up button so I get notified that you like these kind of videos and I should create more videos like this. And also don't forget to press that subscribe button because we upload videos every day on this channel. So don't forget to do it. So before we start, I'm going to show you proof. So here you can see on February 4th, I've got almost $25 profit. I was just testing this Instagram out, and it was my small Instagram account with I think 3,000 followers, so nothing really special. Engagement is not really that big. So here you can see on February 5th I've got almost $18 profit. And finally, when I started doing seriously this method, here you can see I've got 120 almost over $120 profit. So here you can see this is really easy way to make over $100, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can do this. So first of all, we are going to sign up for ClickBank account if you don't have one. So you're going to click on create account. It is really easy and it is also free. So what is basically ClickBank? We are going to sell other people's products for a commission, and that is the whole business model. We are going to do it here. So we are going to click on affiliate marketplace and we are going to search for the products. And before I show you some niche that I'm in, I want to tell you guys is don't follow the same thing. Don't choose the same product because it is not really the best idea to copy every single step of this method, because you don't want to promote the same product as me. You want to test it out with other products. You can also follow this same product if you want, but for example, if this video has 1,000 views, 1,000 people are going to try to sell the same product, so that is not really the best idea. So let's click. I'm in cooking, food and wine. That is the niche I am in, and I have a little Instagram account with I think it is 2,800 followers. I'm not really sure. I need to check that out. So a small Instagram account, and it is around cooking. So I found a little product in cooking. I'm not going to show you the same one, but for example, we are going to try it out with this product. So this product, we are going to give away a book, and for this book giveaway we are going to earn $6.88 on average per sale. And also they are providing us average refill, so which is also amazing. So you're going to earn some monthly commissions from this product from your buyer. So let's see how this landing page looks like. So this landing page looks like pretty nice. As you can see, enter your shopping details, claim your free book. It is really amazing landing page, as you can see. Really like it, really enjoy it. So it is perfect product for our method. And what are we going to do now is we are going to create a free Weebly website. So you're going to type in your Google search weebly.com and you're going to enter your email address and you're going to see a page like this. So you want to sign up. It is also, as I said, free, so you don't have to worry about it. And you're going to when you see a page like this, you're going to click on not now. So we don't have to choose any theme here because we are going to probably delete everything, but let's say this one. It doesn't matter. So we're going to wait a few moments to create our website. So we are going to register a domain name. So you don't need to register domain name. It costs, and if you already have domain name, you can use it. But I really suggest you to use a subdomain. You can use a free Weebly website, and we can use. Let's type free backend. Let's say free book giveaway. freebookgiveaway.weebly.com. Looks nice to me. Let's click on continue. So what we want to do is we want to click on pages and we want to create a new page. We're going to type here book giveaway and click done. So let's build our page. So get your book for free limited time only. So this is our little sales pitch. So you don't want to write a lot of words in your landing page. You want to keep it simple. You can bold it. You can change the color of the text. So let's say we're going to add something blue. And what are we going to do now is we are going to enter here image. And before we do it, I want to tell you is don't use images from the websites like this, because possibly they're going to ban you because they don't allow to use images from the website. So you want to contact this affiliate, you want to contact the vendor of this product, and you can find, for example, here in affiliate tools, you can contact him to provide you with images, and you can find here, for example, here is their mail address. So you want to sell them mail, ask them if they can provide you some images for this product, or some of the products already have affiliate tools. They provide you with images. So for example, let's say this one. So this product provides you already affiliate images that you can use, which is amazing. I don't know why this product doesn't have health center. I'm not really sure why they don't provide you any images. So you're going to contact them, you're going to ask them to send you some images if they can. And we're, for example, going to use this one, but never do this, because this is not really a good thing, and they're probably going to be mad if you use these kind of images. So we are going to just give an example and put it here, but never do this because before you ask the vendor of the product. And we want to enter some space between spacer. Let's see. We want to enter some space between this, and here we are going to add also a little bit space And what are we going to do now is we are going to enter button. So here is the button. Very simple. Claim your book now for free. Or let's say click here. And get book now for free. It is not really the best sales pitch. Let's say click here for free book now. And what we want to do is, because everything is white, we want to change the color of these buttons. So let's say we're going to put, oh my god, I didn't save it. So you want to put in the middle, and you want to put also, for example, this black button, because it looks better, because everything is white already. And you want to also put some space. So let's say spacing. And it looks pretty nice. And this would be our landing page. So what we want to do now is we want to click on promote. And you're going to enter here your ClickBank account nickname, and you're going to get affiliate ID, affiliate links, sorry. And when you get your affiliate link, you're going to click on image here. But as I said, I'm going to tell you again, guys, never use this image from the product before you ask the product owner or vendor. So never use it before you ask them. And what are you going to do? You're going to enter here also link, website URL, and you're going to enter it here. So this would be our simple, maybe I should, so that is possibly it. We are going to click on publish, use free Weebly, continue, and we are going to click on our website. So you want to delete all of these pages and save only book giveaway, for example. And here we can see, here we are with our small landing page. You want to add a little bit more text here. I don't want to waste time. I don't want to be this 50-minute video, but when you click, for example, this here, you're going to get redirect to your affiliate link. When you click on the image, you're going to also get redirect to your affiliate link. So when they see the page, this page, if they buy the product, if they get it for free, if they pay for shipping or something, I'm not sure how this product works, but if they get this free ebook, you're going to earn $6.88. So this is not really the best landing page you can create, but it is going to be enough for what we are going to use it. And if you want to create a better landing page, you can also use ClickFunnels. The link would be in the description, but it costs $97 per month, and I think it is easier to not spend money and use this free landing page. It is not the better one. The ClickFunnels one is much better and looks much professional, but if you don't have money to get started, this is the perfect one for you. And now what we want to do is we want to create Instagram account, and we are going to search for cooking pages. For example, this page here, you can see they are providing some cooking recipes, and you want to ask them to give you a shout out and also to put a swipe up in their story, with your website. And when they click on your page, they are going to see this get free ebook, and they are going to click on the link, and probably they are going to get the product. You can test out, you want to see an engagement of these videos. So here we can see nothing really special. The engagement for these posts are not really that great. It has 16,000 views. So I wouldn't pay much, for example, for this website, so for this influencer to promote our offer, but for example, I would give them $20 or $15, I don't know. So you want to check out these big pages, and you're going to create your own cooking page. For example, if you are in cooking niche, and you're going to ask them for a shout out on their page that you offer a free ebook with recipes for, I don't know, bacon and butter, I don't know. It is a carnivore diet. So you're going to tell them that you offer these 150 recipes book that you offer them for free, and they're going to promote your, for example, you can see this page with 1,600,000 followers. He has only 24,000 views, but the one that I showed you later with 100,000, it has half of that views, which is not really, I don't really understand. 16,000 views, but only the other page is 16 times bigger than this one. So you don't want to promote on pages with low engagement. You can see this video has, I think, 1 million views. So you want to, for example, test this influencer out, and you're going to see if your promotion is going to work or not. I don't guarantee you to make 100% money, because I don't know how your landing page is going to look like or anything like that. So I'm not really sure if you're going to make any money with this method. If you don't want to pay the influencers, you can click on followers, and you want to follow all of the followers that they follow this page. So you want to follow the followers of this page, and they're going to check out your Instagram account. But if you don't want to do that, it is much professional and works much better if you pay the influencer to promote your offer. And this influencer looks pretty nice, as I can tell, because he gets pretty nice engagement and views for this kind of videos. For example, you can see he got 1 million views on this video in 2 days, which is amazing. And that would be it for today, guys. What you want to do is you want to create a landing page, you want to create your Instagram account with some of the pictures, some of the random pictures of recipes or cooking, or it doesn't really matter. And you want to put a link here, for example, in your bio, where they're going to click it and get redirected to your landing page. So that would be it for today, guys. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to press that subscribe button. So don't forget also to press the thumb up button if you like these kind of videos and you want more videos like this, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.